Today, let me show you the quick process of logging in to your Aviva account. If you also have an account of Aviva that you're trying to log into, then make sure you stick till the end to log in successfully as well. The website of Aviva is called aviva.co.uk. So search this up on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to its website. From the website, you can see a login button on the top right of the screen. If you have not signed up or created your account of Aviva, you can also do that by clicking on register on the right hand side. Once you click on the login button, you can see in this first box, you need to type in your username. Now this username could also be the username that you created or could also be the email address. So type in the username or the email address, and in the second box type in the password as well. If you have forgotten the login details, you can click on the forgot your details option on the bottom, and from there you'd be able to recover your username as well as your password. You can also check this box which says remember me. This way your username will be automatically added in each time you visit this website. So once you type in both of these credentials, you can now click on login and you'll be immediately logged in to your MyAviva or Aviva account. I hope this tutorial video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to this video, make sure that you comment down below. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.